Hey guys, welcome to my weekly laundry motivation video. If you just joined me, this English is twisting my tongue, guys. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth, and here we are doing cleaning motivation videos, laundry and grocery hauls. So I am sorting out the laundry so that it can be ready to be washed. I'm going to have two loads because I don't have a lot this week and the machine is bigger, so me doing 5 items in a bigger machine, I think is just a waste of time. So already, if we go forward, my mother has already poured the water for me to save time because it was on a Saturday whereby I am going to attend a club. I have ladies club that I do, village vibes. So it starts at 9 o'clock. I'm the treasury there, guys. I work with money there. So as usual, I am using sunlight, vinegar, and a fabric softener to do my laundry. Please subscribe to my channel. Show it some love by liking the video and don't forget to watch the ads. Let's start washing.
Gone somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I'll stay away.
Down the line, after 15 minutes, the laundry was done washing, so it's time for me to take it out from the tub into the rinsing tub. I do prefer to switch off the plug so that if there is any fault of some sort, I don't get choked by electricity. Electricity and water do not mix. So when I take out my washing from the machine tub, I switch off the plug first.
You were never meant to save me. Now I stay away out here, say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. With you, I cried with you, now wanna be alone. I lied for you, I tried for you, you wouldn't play alone. I got you in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I'll stay away, you were never meant to say.
This is the second load, and which is the last one. I'm going to leave it spinning here, then go to my club because it was already time to go.
Save me. Now I stay away out here, say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love.
I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.
I'm done rinsing the first load, and now I am loading it on in the spin tub for it to dry a bit so that I can go and air dry it outside.
Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story.
I am back from the club. We didn't take time, so let's finish off with the last load of laundry and then we go and hang it at my place.
Is over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
I already went to my place to hang in the laundry there because I prefer to hang it at my place so that when I'm done, I can relax.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.